all of you to please turn on your video. Please turn on your videos, all of you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Aditi Ishwar. Again, Riddhan. Where is Riddhan? Are you there? I'll have to put you in the waiting room then if you don't turn on the video. Riddhan and Pranav. Pranav, is there any problem with the camera or video? Why it is not turned on? Why it is getting switched off in between?
Ma'am, I am on the audio.
Not audio,
No,
video.
Camera.
Now it is on.
Here I am on, ma'am.
Now it is on. I can see you. But before this, it was on, off. Okay.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Before this also, I was on.
It was on?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, good morning, all of you once again. I hope you remember what we did in the last class.
Yes, ma'am.
What was done in the last class?
Ma'am, you gave some words to pronounce it properly.
Yes, pronunciation of the words. And how many of you practiced pronouncing those words? Do you all do it? Yes,
ma'am.
I will come to know the fact when I make you do it again now. So who is going to do it?
Ma'am.
Anthony Joel Joshi. Okay. I'll share the screen.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have the paper.
Okay, you have the paper with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, Anthony.
Yes, ma'am. Can I read?
Yes, you can read.
Ma'am, first one.
Yes.
Almond. Chaos. Boutique. Jewelry. Maniac.
Wrong.
Sorry, maniac. Sorry, ma'am.
Yes.
Maniac. Repetition. Lettuce.
Yes.
Ball. Receipt.
Restaurant. Perfect. Very good, Anthony. That shows that he practiced it really well.
Thank you, ma'am.
Appreciate that. Yes. Just a moment. One by one. See, one at a time. Ananda. Pia, wait. After Ananda, Pia can do.
Almond.
Once again.
Almond.
Wrong.
Chaos.
There is some wait, Ananda. The first word was not pronounced properly. There's some mistake in that. You took care of the main thing. Pia, just correct him. How is the first word pronounced?
Almond.
Anushree? Just a moment. Almond. Ananda and Fia, it is not almond. Of course, the L was silent. That is right. The L was silent and you pronounced it correctly, but the sound should be ah. Okay, the long sound. Almond. Okay, Ananda, you can continue.
Almond. Chaos. Boutique.
Yes.
Jewelry. Maniac. Repetition. Lettuce. Ball. Receipt.
Yes.
Restaurant.
Very good. Perfect. Pia.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Almond.
Just now, Anushree pronounced it. Almond. Yes.
Chaos. Boutique.
Boutique. It's a long sound.
Boutique. Jewelry. Maniac.
Yes.
Repetition. Lettuce.
Yes.
Ball. Receipt. Restaurant.
Very good. Well done. Who's next? Wait. Devak.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Read the words. Almond. Yes.
Chaos. Boutique. Jewelry.
Yes.
Maniac. Repetition. Lettuce. Bowl. Receipt. Recite.
Receipt.
Restaurant.
Restaurant. Okay. Well done. Next,
Ma'am, can I say?
who's that?
Can I say Prinova?
Prinova. Just a moment. Yes, Prinova. Please unmute. After Prinova, Pranava Prasad can try. Okay.
Okay. Almond.
Hmm.
Chaos.
Hmm.
Boutique.
Hmm.
Jewelry.
Hmm.
Maniac.
Yeah.
Repetition. Lettuce.
Hmm.
Bowl.
Hmm.
Receipt.
Hmm.
Restaurant.
Restaurant. I hope the P was silent in receipt. Prinova, was it silent?
No, ma'am, it was not silent.
It was not silent, because sometimes I won't be able to hear clearly through the headphone. So P is silent. In these 10 words, please remember the first word, in the first word, the letter L is silent. And in the second last, that is 9th word, letter P is silent. Okay, Pranav. Anyway, you read all the other words perfectly.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Pranav.
Almond.
Hmm.
Chaos.
Hmm.
Boutique.
Huh? What is the third word?
Boutique.
Anushri, correct? Is that right?
Boutique.
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 Boutique. Boutique. Hmm.
Jewelry.
Hmm.
Maniac.
What was the next word after boutique?
Jewelry.
Not jewelry. Vaiga, please correct. Please correct Pranava Prasad.
Jewelry.
No, that's not right.
Ma'am, can I say?
Fida.
Ma'am, can I?
Fida. Wait. How will you please correct that fourth word?
Jewelry. Jewelry, ma'am.
Yes, Rena.
Jewelry.
No.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Jewelry.
Who's that?
Who's
Who's that? Very... Wait. Others who did not read till now. Efrain, how do you read that word? How do you pronounce that word?
Jewelry.
J-E-W-E-E.
Jewelry.
Huh?
Jewelry.
No, there is a long sound.
Jewelry.
You have to use a long sound. There, yes, Prinova?
Ma'am, jewelry.
Jewelry. Okay. You pronounce the word as jewelry. Just a moment. I will make you listen to the audio once. So as it is, okay, as it is a software, there might be a bit of lagging, but just look at the sound. Wait. Let me check the voice options. Oh, you don't have the option here. So better not to play this. For the passage, I'll play it. It's almond, chaos, boutique. Boutique. Okay. Boutique. Two long sounds. Boutique. Boutique. Jewelry. It's jewelry. Maniac. Repetition. Lettuce. Bowl. Eat. Restaurant. Okay, just a moment. I'll unmute all of you and make you repeat after me all the words at least twice so that all others who are not yet confident in pronouncing those words will get it. Okay. Yes. Almond.
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 Almond. Almond.
Almond.
Chaos.
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 Boutique.
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 Yes. Jewelry.
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 Maniac.
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 Maniac. Maniac. Repetition.
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 Lettuce.
Lettuce.
Bowl. Seat. Receipt.
Receipt.
Silent. Okay. Receipt. Pronounce. Restaurant. Restaurant. Okay. Got it?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
who will do it without making mistake? Nandita. Yes, Nandita.
Yes, ma'am.
Angelina, I'm not able to see you now. Now your video is on.
Maniac.
Do you want me to share the screen? You have the words with you, right? Okay, I'll share the screen. I'll share the screen. Yes, Nandita.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
almond.
Hmm.
Chaos.
Aha, it's wrong. It's not chaos. Anina?
Chaos.
Chaos. Do it confidently. See, when you're reading out the words, once you're sure about the pronunciation, be loud and confident. Okay, don't make your voice feeble. Or you can ask someone, either me or any of your friends. Okay, it's chaos.
Chaos.
Yes, continue.
Jewelry.
No, after chaos, there is another word starting with B. How to read that? Boutique.
Boutique.
I hope you remember what is a boutique. It's a small shop selling jewelry, dress materials, accessories, etc. Yes, boutique. Then
Jewelry.
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 No, it's wrong. Krishna.
Maniac. Maniac.
No, it's not maniac. Just because you see M-A-N is man, don't read the word as maniac. Krishna, how to read that fifth word? Maniac. Maniac. Okay, continue.
Maniac.
Yes.
Repetition.
Perfect. Lettuce. I guess Nandita was not present in the previous class. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. I was having some internet issues.
Okay, that's it. That's the reason why you are not able to read out. It's okay, Nandita. Anushri, you read it.
Almond. Chaos. Boutique. Jewelry. Maniac. Repetition. Lettuce. Ball.
Yes.
Receipt.
Yes.
Restaurant.
Perfect. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I have tried to put all these 10 words in a small passage. I'm going to show you that passage.
Okay,
and our next task is Pooja. Okay, Pooja join now. Was she here? Okay, fine. I'll give you a chance. Don't worry. So what I'm going to do is our next task is to read that passage in the proper accent. Okay. Category 3. There is a small spelling mistake in that. Please bear with that because when I typed, I couldn't correct it later. I'll tell you where. Yes. Here is the passage. Are you able to see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. We can see.
Yeah. So here in the first paragraph, attractively, there is an L missing. Okay. It's V-E-L-Y.
Yes.
So when I typed it, I missed out the L. Then after that, I couldn't change. I couldn't edit the passage. So please don't think that I know.
After E,
Yes, there is an L. There is an L before display. Attractively. T-I-V-L-Y. So you can see all the words in pink color. These are the words that we learned now, right? So first,
Yes, ma'am.
I will do one thing. I will make you hear the audio.
Okay, ma'am.
Just a minute. Oh, we don't have the option here.
Near voice option.
Or I'll do one thing. Just a moment. Here we don't have the correct voice of the proper native speaker. So I'll just do one thing. So just say it if you are able to hear it. Okay?
Merlin started a boutique in a nearby town. Varieties of fashionable clothes and jewelry were attractively displayed. A group of college girls, who were shopping maniacs, visited the shop. There was total chaos. Merlin repeatedly requested them to wait for a while. This repetition made them think about going to the adjacent restaurant for some refreshment. They ordered a plate of roasted almonds and a bowl of hot, steaming soup. It was made special with button mushrooms and lettuce. They paid the bill, collected the receipt, and returned to Merlin. She was waiting for them.
Could you hear that?
Yes, ma'am. It was very
Yes,
clear.
So you saw.
It was clear.
Okay, it was clear because I could play it here on the board, but the correct accent, because you know we are following the British accent. So if I make you hear the American accent, you might get confused. So I don't know. Unfortunately, I was not able to play the British accent voice clip here, audio. That's the reason I took it from my phone and played it for you. So we came across all the words that were used now, and one more thing apart from that. So when you start reading this passage, you have to make sure you pronounce the words that is given here that we already learned that correctly. Plus, you have to focus on all the other words also, because you know a group of words put together make a sentence. So it's not enough that you just take care of the words that you study. You have to take care of each and every word.
Varieties of fashionable clothes.
Okay, Ananda started reading. So before that, before the word restaurant, there is a word ADJACENT. Did you listen to the pronunciation of that word? Anushri,
Yes, ma'am.
how was that read?
Adjacent.
No, yes, Priya said it right. Adjacent. See, it's not adjacent, it's adjacent. Adjacent. Okay, that is
D is
the right.
silent.
Yes, D is silent, and you have to bring in the J. Adjacent. Adjacent restaurant. Okay. Anyway, Ananda was very eager to read the passage. Ananda, yes, Anthony. Adjacent means next, the very next.
Okay, ma'am.
Just near to you. That is called adjacent, because you will learn this word in mathematics. Adjacent angle. In mathematics, you will learn this adjacent angle. Okay. Fine. Ananda, just try reading this.
Merlin started a boutique in a nearby town. Varieties of fashionable clothes and jewelry were attractively displayed. A group of college girls who were shopping maniacs visited the shop. There was total chaos. Merlin repeatedly requested them to wait for a while. This repetition made them think about going to adjacent restaurant for some refreshment. They ordered a plate of roasted almonds and bowl of steaming soup. It was made special with
butter mushrooms
and lettuce. They paid the bill, collected the receipt, and returned to Marilyn. She was waiting for them.
Very good. Good attempt. Good effort. Yes. I do understand that all of you are very, very eager to read this. But before you read, I would like to give you a few ground rules, a few basic rules when you start reading a passage. So this is just a trial. But with this, after this, you are going to get more and more. This is a small thing and doesn't make much sense. I just tried to put in, I just made my own passage, putting all the words together. Because first the words were given. Then I thought how to put the words together. And I made a passage. Okay. So, of course, you are going to focus on all these 10 words. And I trust you are not going to make any mistake. But what about the other words? The other words are also to be taken care. So I will tell you some basic rules to follow when you read or pronounce the word. First thing is, whenever you read or pronounce a word starting with the letter W, round your lips. Okay? Round your lips. So here, close center, where attractively displayed. Where. It's not there. Where. Round your lips. Again, you have who were shopping. There was. Look at the lip movement. There was total chaos. Requested them to wait for a while. Wait for a while. Round your lips. Just make sure that you round your lips. The sound will automatically improve. That's the trick. Trick number one. Tip number one. The next one is when you pronounce the words starting with the letters P, P, K. I hope Priya ma'am might have taught you in the last year during the accent reduction classes. They are called plosive sounds. Plosive sounds means you have to feel that expulsion of air. Like it's not P, it's not P, it's P. You should feel that air. You have to give that force there, punch. P, P, K. These three letters need to be pronounced with force, with pressure. So that when you read out the word, that sound will be different. Like nearby town. You got me? Nearby town. It's not town. It's town. Again, attractively displayed college. See, it's not college. It's not college. It's college. Though the letter is C, the sound is K, right? So you have to read it as college girls. College girls. The shopping maniacs visited the shop. There was total. It's not total. Total chaos. Then another one. This is the tip number 2. That sounds like pa, ta, and ka should have the force there. And the third one is the letter R. R should not be sounding as R. That ra sound should not come. Say it softly. Repeatedly requested. Got it? It's repeatedly requested. Just roll your tongue. The tongue should not touch on the upper palate of the mouth. It should just hold the tongue and say repeatedly requested. Bring in that style. Repeatedly requested them to wait for a while. Repetition. It's not repetition, it's repetition. Repetition made them think about going to the adjacent restaurant. It's not restaurant, right? You don't sound that R sounds. Restaurant for some refreshment. Again, refreshment is not refreshment. It is refreshment. So that R letter should sound very soft. They ordered a plate of roasted almonds. Again, R, roasted almonds and a bowl of hot steaming soup. It was made special with round your lips, with button mushrooms and lettuce. They paid the bill. It's paid, paid the bill, collected the receipt and returned to Merlin. See, each word has to be given importance. She was waiting, round the lips, waiting for them. Okay. So these are the basic things that you have to take care while you read a passage. With practice, you'll be able to improve the accent. Okay, I'll play it once again.
Merlin started a boutique in a nearby town. Varieties of fashionable clothes and jewelry were attractively displayed. A group of college girls, who were shopping maniacs, visited the shop. There was total chaos. Merlin repeatedly requested them to wait for a while. This repetition made them think about going to the adjacent restaurant for some refreshment. They ordered a plate of roasted almonds and a bowl of hot, steaming soup. It was made special with button mushrooms and lettuce. They paid the bill, collected the receipt and returned to Merlin. She was waiting for them.
That's it. Okay. So there is another error while reading here. For a while, somewhere they are saying just before button mushrooms dot. Huh? So as it is a software, like steaming soup dot. It's not dot, it's a full stop. Steaming soup, you have to give a pause there. Okay, now I believe now you got the proper pronunciation. Okay, Pranava, try reading.
Okay, ma'am. Merlin started a boutique in a nearby town where varieties of fashionable clothes and jewelry were attractively displayed. A group of college girls who were shopping maniacs visited the shop. There was total chaos.
No, Pranava, wait. You're not taking care of the things that I told you. Huh? You're saying was. It's not was, it's was. I told you. See, the thing is that you need not go fast. You can look at each word, do it slowly. No need of any hurry. First thing what you have to do is go word by word. Take care of each and everything I told you right now. Focus on the letters. Think and pronounce the word. Then after that, you can pick up with the fluency. Don't look at whether you are able to read faster. No, speed is not important here. Here is a perfection of the pronunciation of the words. I told you I was just talking about a few rules that you have to take care. So listen to the first paragraph here. Merlin started a boutique in a nearby town. So here, boutique and town. Plosive sound. That has to be taken care of. Varieties of fashionable clothes and jewelry were, round your lips, were attractively displayed. Once again, Merlin started a boutique in a nearby town. Varieties of fashionable clothes and jewelry were attractively displayed. See, we are going to focus only on these two sentences right now. Then we'll move forward with the next part of the sentences. Next part of the paragraph. Chris, Can you just read out the first 2 sentences with the proper accent? Yes. Where is Chris Joe? Chris Joe, are you not unmuted? Sorry. Unmute.
Huh?
Yes, I can hear you.
Mary started a boutique in a nearby town. Varieties of fashionable clothes and jewelry were attractively displayed.
Wait, Christo, you did not bring in those corrections I said. First thing, yes, boutique was done correctly. It was pronounced correctly. Nearby town. That sound has to be taken care. Just say town.
Town.
Yes, exactly. And say town.
Town.
So, do you find a difference in town and town?
Yes.
Yes. So that has to be corrected. And then varieties of fashionable clothes and jewelry. Huh? Jewelry. The next word is wear. Round your lips and say wear.
Where?
Yes. Attractively display. Now repeat the word. Repeat the sentences.
First.
Yes. Yes.
Marilyn started a boutique in a nearby town.
Yes.
Varieties of fashionable clothes and jewelry were attractively displayed.
Again, jewelry. It's not jewelry. Jewelry. Yes.
Jewelry.
That's it. So whenever you are asked to read, you have to take care of word by word. Only then we will be able to improve the accent. So practice is very important. Okay. So children, today itself, I'll send you the passage as well as the audio in the group. Please practice it. And in the next class, when you come, I want you to have that, try to change your accent. Try to have that style of speaking. And that is not only to be done in the accent training classes. Once you are comfortable with the style, you can apply it everywhere, wherever you go, in whatever your classes you attend, in all the classes you attend. Whenever you get a chance for speaking, apply it. Only then it will become a permanent part of you. Okay? So, thank you all of you. It's time for us to wind up the class. Meet you in the next class. Practice it well.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye,
For
ma'am.
practicing. Bye.
ma'am.
You will send the passage in the group, right, ma'am?
Yes. I'll